Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. As today is Wednesday, you have to study as per routine what is there, that is moments. And that in the book moments, that what is the first chapter? The name of the first chapter is The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. So, the lost child. Here, when we will analyze the title, the name of the story, we are getting two words, two main words. That is lost and child. That means, obviously, in this story, through this story, we will learn about the child, about our child who has been lost, where he has been lost, how he has been lost, what was his that reaction. After that, let's come to study. The story it has been started like that it is spring festival. It is a spring festival, and that winter when does that spring comes? After winter season, spring comes, and then it is spring festival, and still that the roads, alleys means small narrow roads ways that comes and join with the main road. They are called alleys, and that the roads are filled with the gaily persons. Gaily means that is festival is there, na? So the persons are very happy. They are coming that through the roads to join the festival. So they are very much happy. And a child, they are coming by walking, by riding horses, or by sitting on the bullock cart or bamboo cart. So in the three ways the people are coming. And a small child is also going to join this festival with his parents. And a small child means that around him everything is new. So when everything is new, naturally he is very much attracted. He is very much curious, and first thing what attracted his attention, that is a toy shop. And little child show that the toys he has seen, that from there one toy he liked, and he started telling, I want that toy. And then obviously he looked at his parents. Then from there what he found that cold and that non-approval. Old non-approval means that the boy, he is already familiar with the reaction of his parents. Means they are not that from our that body language, that anybody can understand that we are going to give him the toy or not going. So the parents are not approving to give him the toy. So the father, that his eyes were red, and then no. So so mothers are generally what, they are little bit kind, they are a little bit tender. So then what she tells, oh my boy, come to this side, see what's there in front of you. And actually obviously she wanted to distract the boy's attention from the toy. And yes, the boy's heart, mind, attention is there, but his eyes are towards his parents and that mother and father. And what he that saw in front of him, that there was a vast mustard field, and it is already I told that it is a spring season. The spring season, and mustard field means it was just looking like melted gold. Means that this mustard that field it was filled with full bloom flowers. And mustard field means only flowers are there. There were different types of insects, butterflies, dragonflies, and soon the boy's attention was attracted. The boy was attracted to all these things. and that naturally he was attracted. He was looking here, he was looking there, he was looking to that side, this side. So he was not walking properly, so he was lagging behind. Mummy and daddy, they are not attracted to these things, so they were walking in a normal way, and the boy was looking here and there, means he is becoming slow, so he was not able to just balance with the speed with his pants. So generally that the parents, they were telling that come and join with us. So this way they have just covered, crossed the mustard field, that where that doves were there, where that the petals means that the that flower is having petals, we are having that different types of dragonflies, butterflies, bees, and the different types of insects that they come out to enjoy the sun, that sunlight. So and the boy, he was attracted to everything. Little one is that crawling over there, so the boy went over there. Bee where that was moving, flying over there, boy came over there. Butterfly was that flying, boy came over there. So that in various way the boy's attention was attracted, the child's attention was attracted. So see that lost child, two way we can be lost. We can be lost in happiness, we can be lost in wonder, then it gives us happiness. We can be lost in our curiosity, and we can be lost from something, so which that causes sadness. So here in the very beginning, the boy was lost in the beauty of nature, in that different that aspects of life which are very beautiful, which are very nice, which are new to him. And lastly, what happened, that the boy and the parents they reached to the next village where the fair was held. And first thing there the boy saw, that was that the different types of sweet shops, and obviously that different sweets, and they were decorated very nice way. And then the boy, I want barfi. Then obviously that the parents they disapproved, no. And then there were so many shops, so many different subjects, that the boy soon distracted to another subject matter. What was that? That was a flower shop, and different flowers were there, and that there was a Gulmohar garland, and the boy told, I want Gulmohar garland. Then obviously the parents, they told no. Then the boy's attention distracted to the balloons, that rainbow colored balloons. Rainbow colored balloons means what? That the different colored of balloons. Rainbow is having 7 different colors. So the balloon seller who was selling balloons, obviously he was having different types of balloons, so the boy was attracted soon towards the balloons. Then what happened? Then there was he was attracted to balloons. I want balloons. Then also no. Then snake charmer was there. That snake was there. The snake was that that moving with the sound of the pungi, and the boy wanted to go towards that, but the father and parents, they warned the boy not to go there. So the boy did not go. After that, what came? That the merry-go-round. So obviously all the children are so much attracted to these things, that now that they will have these things, so the boy this time made a very clear and prominent want announcement that I want to go ride merry-go-round. But this time he did not get any reply. Why he did not get any reply? He looked back and he found nobody. Parents, father and mother, they were not over there. So the boy started shouting, mother, father, and it was fair means that so many people were there, it was gathering, so it was not a clear place that easily soon the boy will be able to find out his parents. Then what happened? Then he started feeling awkward, and there was that fear feeling, that he realized that he was lost, and then that his voice was choked, means that there was a cry over here that choked his voice, and he started sweating, and then he started crying, "Father, mother, father, mother," but it was all in vain, because he could not find out his father and mother. So that he was trying to find out his father and mother everywhere, but he did not get. And the boy was very small, such a small boy that he was walking, running between the legs of his parents. So how much height he was having. So it was very much problematic for him to search for his parents. There was a temple, and in front of the temple there was a huge gathering, and there was a very fat person whose eyes were almost like a murderer, and that there the people were jostling each other, because huge gathering was there, so everybody wanted to reach near the temple. The boy went over there, and in the meantime, that one person, that very strong person, he has lifted the boy up, because he found that the boy was crying. And now the boy was not crying, the boy was sobbing. Sobbing means it. He was doing this, and the person has lifted the boy up up the boy. Then he asked that, "Who are you? Why are you crying? Where are your parents?" Then the boy, that he was crying, and he himself was searching for the parents. So gradually he was crying, but the loud cry, it was turned into sobbing. But when the moment the person asked him what happened, that where is your parents, and who are you, then again the boy started crying. And then the person, he wanted to stop the boy. Then the person showing the boy, you will get your parents. Okay. Will you go to the merry-go-round? Do you ride merry-go-round? The boy told, no. Then the person took him to the snake charmer. Will you visit? Will you see the snake charmer? No. And the boy closed his eyes. Then the person taken the boy, means that the things which were very much attractive to the boy, when his father and mother has been lost, then again, but the person was taking to the boy to the same thing. Now that there was no attraction, the boy lost all of his attraction towards these things. And when he was taken to that flowers, then the boy closed his nose, because he did not want to get the nice smell of the flower. When he was taken to the sweet shop, then also the boy refused to get that sweet from there. So now what we are learning, that the things when we are secured, parents means we are secured. Yes, parents are there, so nothing can be happen. But the moment we are departed from, we are aparted, we are separated from our beloved ones, from our parents, from our secure place, then all the attractive things in the world, it will turn into a very less attractive things, that they were having no value, they were having no attraction. So that the boy only, he was telling, I want to go my father, I want to go my mother. So in the very beginning, the boy was lost, the child was lost in the beauty of the nature, with the nice things, with the nice aspects around him. But when he was lost in the fear, then he lost also the attraction towards all these nice things. So this is your that the summary, the subject matter of the story, that is the lost child. So you read your book and you listen to the video, and then obviously you will contact with me, you will ask me if you face any problem. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.